Number two, don't have any plan on the day that will distract your lesson. Remember, it's costing you a lot of money, a lot of time, and your energy for you to learn to drive, and you don't want to just take it lightly. This is really important for you, okay? I don't want you to just wake up and just go and just waste your time, waste your money, waste your energy. If you do that, you probably will learn eventually, but it's going to take longer unless you are ready. So make sure on the day you don't have anything, any other big plan which will distract you learning to drive. The lesson that you have on the day, it should be important for you. You should have that on your diary. That should be an important appointment for you on the day. It's not like, oh, I'm just going to go quickly because I got something else I need to do. Something else is important, but this is also important, okay? So whatever problem you have, or whatever plan you have, leave it outside the car. When you come into the car, that's the plan you have. This is where you give everything 100% without any distraction, without any other plan which is going to distract this lesson. Okay, so nothing will distract me learning today. 10 to 11, 10 to 12 is my lesson, and I'm going to give 100% everything I have without any distraction. Okay, so that's number two.